You need the official WhatsApp to use this account. Error message? Don't worry. Welcome back to our Tech Solutions channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to guide you through how to solve this issue and get back to using WhatsApp without any hiccups. Make sure to watch till the end. First, let's understand why this happens. WhatsApp often flags and restricts users who are using modified version of the app, like WhatsApp Plus or GB WhatsApp. To ensure privacy and security, if you're seeing this message, it's likely you're using one of those versions. So, the first step is to uninstall the modified app. Now, it's time to download the official WhatsApp app. Now, head over to the Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp Business and hit install. Ensure you're downloading the app developed by WhatsApp. Now, even after downloading the WhatsApp app, if you're still seeing the next method, contact WhatsApp support directly. They can provide you with specific troubleshooting steps or assist you in resolving the problem. Open the official WhatsApp website. Click on the Contact WhatsApp option. Now click on Contact Us option. Now provide your phone, email address and specify the platform you are using. Now write the following message. Hello WhatsApp support. I am encountering the error message. You need the official WhatsApp to use this account, despite using the official app from the authorized app store. Please assist in resolving this issue and press next. And this is how you successfully navigated back to the official WhatsApp. We hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below.